In this video, we have to find integral solutions xy such that x square plus y square is equal to x plus y plus 2. So, first method, that is observation. We have x square plus y square is equal to x plus y plus 2, and it is x square minus x plus y square minus y is equal to 2, and it is x times x minus 1 plus y times y minus 1 is equal to 2. And we have to find integral solutions xy. That means x and y, they are integers. And what can be t times t minus 1? If we check at t is equal to minus 3, then it is minus 3 times minus 4, that is 12. At t is equal to minus 2, it is minus 2 times minus 3, that is 6. At t is equal to minus 1, it is minus 1 times minus 2, that is 2. At t is equal to 0, it is 0 times minus 1, that is 0. At t is equal to 1, it is 1 times 0, that is 0. At t is equal to 2, it is 2 times 1, that is 2. At t is equal to 3, it is 3 times 2, that is 6. At t is equal to 4, it is 4 times 3, that is 12. So, t times t minus 1, it can be 0, 2, 6, 12, and so on. And we have x times x minus 1 plus y times y minus 2 is equal to 2. So either 0 plus 2 is 2 and 2 plus 0 is 2. So case 1, x times x minus 1 can be equal to 0. That means x is 0, and if x minus 1 is 0, then x will be equal to 1. And y times y minus 1, it is 2, and it is y square minus y is equal to 2, and it is y square minus y minus 2 is equal to 0, and y square minus 2y plus y minus 2 is 0, and it is y times y minus 2 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and it is y plus 1 times y minus 2 is equal to 0. So if y plus 1 is 0, then y will be equal to minus 1, and if y minus 2 is 0, then y will be equal to 2. So xy, it can be equal to x can be 0 and y can be minus 1, and x can be 0, y can be 2, and x can be 1 and y minus 1, and x can be 1 and y 2. These are the 4 values of x and y. And case 2, if y times y minus 1 is 0, then y will be equal to 0 and y will be equal to 1, and x times x minus 1 is 2, then it is x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0, and it is x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0, and x times x minus 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 0, and it is x plus 1 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 1 and 2. So xy, it can be equal to x can be minus 1 and y 0, and x minus 1 y 1, and x can be 2 y 0, and x can be 2 y 1. These are the other 4 values of x and y. And method 2, using discriminant d, we have x square plus y square is equal to x plus y plus 2, and x and y, they are integers. And it is x square minus x plus y square minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And for ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of d by 2a. And if x is integer, then d should be perfect square. If x is integer, then d should be perfect square. And here a is 1, b is minus 1, and c is y square minus y minus 2. and x is integer. So D, it should be perfect square, and D is equal to B square minus 4AC. It is equal to, suppose, M square, and B is minus 1 square minus 4 times A is 1 and C is y square minus y minus 2. It is equal to M square, and it is 1 minus 4 times y square minus y minus 2 is equal to M square, and 1 minus 4y square plus 4y plus 8 is equal to M square, and 1 plus 8 is 9 minus 4y square minus 4y, it is equal to M square, and it is 9 minus, and 4y square is 2y square, and minus 4y is minus 2 times 2y times 1, and if we add 1 square and subtract 1 square, it is equal to M square. Then it is 9 minus, and this will be equal to 2y minus 1 square minus 1 square is 1, that is equal to M square, and it is 9 minus 2y minus 1 square plus 1 is equal to M square, and 9 plus 1 is 10 minus 2y minus 1 square, it is equal to M square, and 2y minus 1 square, it will be greater than equal to 0. So 10 minus 2y minus 1 square, it should be less than equal to 10. That means M square, it will be less than equal to 10, and M square is perfect square. So M square, it can be equal to 0, 1, 4 and 9, and M square is 10 minus 2y minus 1 square. It can be equal to 0, 1, 4, 9. So 2y minus 1 square, it can be equal to 10 minus 0, 10 minus 1, 10 minus 4 and 10 minus 9, and 2y minus 1 square, it can be equal to 10, 9, 6 and 1. So 2y minus 1, it will be equal to plus minus square root of 10 and plus minus 3 plus minus square root of 6 and plus minus 1. And y is integer, so 2y minus 1, it cannot be equal to plus minus square root of 10 and plus minus square root of 6. So 2y minus 1, it is equal to plus minus 3 and plus minus 1. And 2y minus 1, it is equal to 3 minus 3, 1 minus 1. So 2y, it will be equal to 4 minus 2, 2, 0. And y will be equal to 2 minus 1, 1 and 0. And we have x square plus y square, it is equal to x plus y plus 2. So x square minus x, it will be equal to 2 plus y minus y square. And now if y is 2, then x square minus x, it will be equal to 2 plus 2 minus 2 square is 4, that is 0. And it is x times x minus 1, that is 0. So x will be equal to 0 and 1. And if y is minus 1, then x square minus x, it will be equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1 square, and it is 2 minus 1 minus 1, that is 0. So x times x minus 1, it is 0. That means x will be equal to 0 and 1. And if y is 1, then x square minus x, it will be equal to 2 plus y is 1 minus 1 square. And it is 2 plus 1 minus 1, that is 2. So x square minus x, it is 2. So x will be equal to minus 1 and 2. And if y is 0, then x square minus x, it will be equal to 2 plus 0 minus 0 square, that is 2. So x square minus x, it is 2. That means x will be equal to minus 1 and 2. So xy, it is equal to x is 0 and y is 2, and x is 1, y is 2, and x0, y minus 1, and x1, y minus 1, 0 minus 1, and 1 minus 1, and minus 1, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, and minus 1, 0, and 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 2, 0. these are the 8 values of x and y.